So I just did my hair and I really want to like lay my baby hairs. But y'all, I don't know if I want to say like self-conscious about my gray hairs at the front. Like I've always been growing gray hair, like right at my hairline ever since I think I was like 14. But now it's like really coming in full force. I know you can see it. I know you can see it. Okay. So I had this thought in my mind the other night when I was like laying in bed, and I was like, what if they made like some type of like colorful like gel? Because I don't want to necessarily like dye my gray hair. I'm in like the process of accepting it, like whatever. I've always dyed using henna if I ever did use my hair, and that's just because it does give like those strengthening, benefits and all the other benefits it does for your hair in general. But I haven't done henna in probably over 2 years now, so the gray is graying. Okay, and that's what I was saying to myself. I was like, maybe they should make like some type of gel or something. So y'all, I went online and I looked it up. Like, the internet is your best friend. They make this color tinted gel. This is level 3. Level 3. I don't know. I've never heard of them before, but level 3 tinted gel covers gray hair. And it says it has a hold level of 2. Okay, so it works. Like, I looked at the videos and everything. I looked it up online. It works. It does its thing, but I'm more concerned about like the ability to, I have 4C hair, right? So the ability for my edges to actually lay down with this, because I know this is a water-based product. So we're gonna do a bit of an experiment. I got my regular schmegular degular edge gel. Well, it's not a gel, y'all know this is the edge fixer that I would normally lay my edges down with. So I figure if I put a little bit of this first to like lay them, and then try to put the tint on top, and then like wrap it to have it mold, maybe, just maybe, we can get away with it, right? So let me see, y'all. I'm gonna try. This is our Bee's Beauty Room experiment for today. Because I like when my edges are laid, but if I need to like wash my face, girl, I'm about to wash these edges out and redo them. And I don't even care. I do not care about that. Not one bit. So I'm kind of nervous. I don't think I've ever done my edges on camera before. I mean, everybody does them different though, right? So this one, I kind of just swoop like this. Right, this one. Okay. And I don't do nothing all extra fancy, y'all. This is it. All right. I'll try to do this side. I used to use the brush side only, but I think I get a better result when I use the comb side, for sure. Okay, so that's them laid, right? This stuff is real dark, y'all. Extra black. So, just for reference, right? It's like hair dye black. So I'm gonna take a little. Yo, oh my word. Oh my word. Okay, clearly the brush isn't gonna work. We're better off using our finger for this, because this is real deal, like, Holyfield. I am shocked at how good this color payoff is. Like, what? Wow. Like, this is making a mess. Truly making a mess. I don't want it to, I don't know if it tints skin, but we don't even want it to get that far. I just want it to do what it do for my edges right now. Look at that. They just disappear. The gray, it's just gone. Now this does have somewhat of a smell, like I'm smelling it right now. So any excess I'm just dabbing onto. But like, wow, y'all. Wow. It's really hiding them. Like all the little tiny grays at the front. Boop, gone. So I'm gonna tie my hair down. Okay. Because wow. Wow. I'm kind of at a loss for words if you can't tell. Come back for part 2. Just so we can see if this actually stays down. So I'm gonna make my errands. I need to go to the grocery store, whatever have you. When I come back, we'll see if the color's gone white, if it's changed, if it's whatever. If the gray is coming back in stronger after I mold this down. Okay, I'm back with an update. I like it. It's more of like a medium soft hold. It's not really hard or crunchy or anything. But the synopsis is that I like it. I like it a lot. I mean, you can still see some of the gray, because this is how it was before, like real white. And now it's like tamed down, like it's black. It's more black than it is gray. And from far away, child, it's a do. It's a look. It's a vibe, okay? I like this little short twist hair that I found too. It's good for everyday, like, hairstyles. My little glow-in-the-dark ghost. But anyways, y'all, I give it, I don't know. I guess I would give it a 9.5 out of 10. Only because I do like more of a firmer hold. This isn't sticky or anything, but it's soft hold. Like, you see the hair still moving when I touch it. So that's my rating. Let me know if you guys find any other brands, any other kind of ways to mask the gray. I'm still gonna keep using this though, because I like it. And it's only when I do like edges out styles, right? Like, I really don't care any other time I have a wig on or something. But yeah, that's the result. Thanks for coming back, checking out part 2. I just made me some chimichurri for dinner with steak. I'm about to go smash, ooh, with some homemade rice. Okay, I smell it now. Bye, y'all. I'll call you later.